The three farm bills were passed in the parliament session with undue and unprecedented haste. When the House timing was over by 1 p.m., the honorable members of different parties requested the honorable deputy chairperson to have a consensus on extension of time or have the discussion on the next day. There was no tearing hurry to finish those bills on that very day. However, that request was not heeded to by the Honorable Deputy Chairperson. The members of the Parliament who had moved amendments to the bills requested the Honorable Deputy Chairperson to take up those amendments. Of course, all the members who requested to the Honorable Deputy Chairperson were in their own seats. Each member has been assigned a seat in the House and they were in their place and requesting their amendments to be taken up. However, even that request was not heeded to by the Deputy Chairperson. The honorable members of the Parliament then requested for a division on the bills and asked for a vote. However, the minister went on speaking despite the requests raised by the members of parliament from their respective sitting areas. No cognizance of these requests was taken by the Honorable Deputy Chairperson, and the minister went on speaking on the bills. No division, no hearing on the amendments, no request to be listened to by the Honorable Deputy Chairperson of the Honorable Members of Parliament. I was present in the House and I could see that the procedures required for a parliamentary democracy to be followed, were not heeded to, and the three farm bills passed in such a haste can only be termed as a black letter day in the history of our parliamentary democracy.